gonna do my intro?
No.
I forgot to put my food up here, so. Chick-Fil-A! I got a message. Oh, do you want my chicken? Oh no. That's tragic. Do I have a fork? Let's see. Hi everybody, it's me. I don't know my name now because I'm changing it, so Kate. Yay. What a lovely day for another mukbang. What is this? I want that.
Drop some on the table.
Huh?
Drop some Polynesian on
Good
the table.
job. Please take my chicken. Oh my god, it's like they cut it up and it's like ew. Or meat in general, so. I know I'm weird like that. What? Did you say lies? I eat fish. Most of the time. I'm gonna actually put my dressing on my salad because I forgot. Let me know in the comments below. What's your favorite Chick-fil-A thing? I like salad. So what do you want to talk about? Camp. Okay, so we just got back from a summer camp called Camp Longhorn. It was my 9th year, meaning my last year as a camper. What is that? Oh, it's just cheese. My last year as a camper, so I got my ring. My 9th year ring, which is a big thing. What do you want to talk about at camp?
I don't know. Get stuff.
Okay, like what? What's your favorite activity?
Blah, blah, trolley.
I was about to say don't say blah for trolley. And so, they're gonna give me Advil, so they had to like weigh me to know how much to give me. I had weighed myself before camp. I was like 126. No, I'm 130. 31, something like that. So yeah, that was the first week of camp. I gained 5 pounds.
Their food is really good.
I know. Usually I lose weight at camp. Like literally every year
I
up
did.
until we're in a year.
I lost 2 pounds. Chick-fil-A sauce is overrated. Polynesian is where it's at.
No, you're right. This is the best. Come on. You can do it. Big jump. You can do it. There you go. Here, go around this way. Come over here.
The leg goes around the camera. Other side. Oh, this is my baby brother. Yeah.
Baby brother. You want to try some?
Yeah.
Yum. Yeah. No?
Do you
You
want
look
some
silly.
of that?
Look. Oh.
Try.
Look, hers looks better.
Yeah.
You want some?
Mine just has like, mine was rainbow, so it has like green in it, and I think so it's disgusting.
Some. I need some.
He
Julie?
said, I want some.
Some.
Eat the bread. Eat the bread. He wants more, Kylie.
I know.
Here. You won't eat mine. Wow.
I need some.
Say please.
Please.
Please. Thank you.
I need some.
No, don't put it on there. It's yucky. No. I said it's yucky.
You're cleaning this up, by the way.
What? I don't.
Some.
No.
Some.
Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. And yeah, this might be in a vlog video, it might be a vlog video, I don't know yet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. I will put a link to the other video that we filmed today if I don't put it in that video. But I don't know yet. So Ty, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Oh, baby.
Say hi. Ty, can you say hi?